Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where in our terminal there will be snowflakes coming down. So first we would like to start by writing import random. Okay guys, then we'd like to import time. Then we would like to import OC. And next thing we would like to do is write that our width equals 40 and the length no, height equals 20. Yep. And then we'd like to write snow equals in brackets 4 underscore in range width times height. Yep guys, now next we'd like to do is just write while true then we'd like to write for I in range width line colon, and then we'd like to write if random brackets then is less than 0.2 colon. Then we'd like to write snow bracket I equals, and in here our snowflake. And then we'd like to write else snow here I equals like the string. Yep guys, and then we'd like to write over here for I in range width times height. Minus 1 comma, then we'd like to write width minus 1 then minus 1 and our colon. Okay, next we'd like to write snow I equals snow I minus width. Yep. Then I'd like to write oc.system clc if oc.name equals any string nt else clear. For I in range width times height colon. Then I would like to write print snow I comma and equals this string. Yep, and then we would like to write if in brackets I plus 1 percentage width equals 0 colon print, and then we'd like to just write time dot sleep 0.1. So okay guys, let's run it up. So as you see, we've got snowflakes coming down. So okay guys, it was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.